How to make selection using color range. After importing your image, go to the Layers dock, right-click the image and choose the Rasterize option. Once done, go to the menu bar and click Select. Under the Select drop-down menu, select Color Range. Using the eyedropper tool, select the most common color and adjust the settings to get your desired result, then click OK. This creates a selection of that color. With the selection made, create a layer mask, then invert the mask using Ctrl+I to show the image. To make for a clean selection, hold the Control button and click the mask to select the revealed area, then invert the selection using Ctrl+Shift+I. Using the brush tool, clean other areas of the image that you do not need.